As I received the call from a concerned mother about a dog and her 7 puppies living under a construction site, I knew I had to act quickly. The description of their living conditions broke my heart. Poor, wet, and dirty, with no access to food or clean water. I couldn't bear the thought of those innocent lives suffering any longer. With a sense of urgency, I made my way to the construction site. As I approached the mother dog and her puppies, I could see the fear in their eyes. They had been living in a world where mistrust and misunderstanding were their only companions. They didn't know if I was there to harm or help them, to bring salvation or death. I began to speak softly, trying to convey my intentions and reassure them. I moved slowly, carefully, not to make any sudden movements that would increase their fear. It took time, but gradually they began to relax, sensing my genuine concern and care for them. The first step was to give them a bath, washing away the dirt and mud that clung to their bodies. The mother dog, whom I named Dabok, was a gentle and a young mother. She understood that I meant no harm and allowed me to take care for her and her puppies. Next, I took them to the health checkup. To my relief, she was in good health, but her puppies were suffering from high fever and being exposed to the rain for so long. Their digestive systems were also weak, with 4 of the 5 puppies experiencing diarrhea and vomiting. I made it my mission to nurse them back to health. I provided them with proper medication and treatment, ensuring they received the care they desperately needed. I cooked food for them to nourish their weak bodies, warming them up on cold winter days. Days turned into weeks, and slowly but surely their health started to improve. The Bok's motherly love and medical care they received helped them regain their strength. They were no longer fearful and trembling, but filled with hope and vitality. The Bok in particular amazed me with her kindness and strong maternal instinct. She followed my touch, understanding that it was meant to soothe and comfort her. I couldn't help but feel a deep sense of admiration for her resilience and unwavering love for her puppies. To distinguish each puppy, I placed a necklace of different colors on their necks with their names written on them. It was my way of ensuring they had their own identity and individuality. As the days passed, their progress was evident. They transformed from weak and malnourished puppies to playful bundles of joys. Dabok and her puppies were ready for a brighter future, one filled with love and warm sunshine. On day 30, I looked at them, their fur growing thickly and shiny. I couldn't help but laugh as I saw one of the puppies attempting to be a little mischievous. After 50 days, it was time to find them forever homes. I knew they deserved a life filled with love and care. And as potential adopters came to meet them, I shared their incredible journey, from being born on the grass and rescued from heavy rain to their current healthy and vibrant state. It wasn't an easy decision to say goodbye, but it was necessary for their long-term happiness. As each puppy found a loving owner, I couldn't help but feel bittersweet mix of joy and sadness. They were going to good homes, but a part of me would always cherish the time we spent together. Dabok, the incredible mother dog, was the last one to find a home. It took a bit longer to find the perfect match for her. I was determined to find her an owner who would appreciate her gentle nature and the incredible journey she had undertaken to care for her puppies. Finally, a kind-hearted family arrived at the shelter. They had heard about her story and were instantly captivated by her. They understood the love and dedication she had shown as a mother, and they wanted to provide her with the love and stability she deserved. As they approached her, she looked at them with cautious eyes, her past experiences still lingering in her memory. But as they gently spoke to her, she sensed their genuine affection. They didn't rush her, giving her the space and time she needed to trust again. With each passing day, Dabok's bond with her new family grew stronger. They showered her with love, patience, and a sense of security she never had experienced before. They took her on long walks, played with her, and gave her a warm and a cozy place to rest. The family also made sure that she was actually sending regular updates on Dabok's progress. The memories of Dabok and her puppies remain etched in my mind. I knew that their rescue was just a small part of a much larger problem. Countless other animals were still in need of help and care. Inspired by her story, I dedicated myself to becoming more involved in the animal welfare activities and spreading awareness about the importance and responsibility of responsible pet ownership. The story of Dabok and her puppies became a symbol of hope, a reminder that even in the most challenging circumstances, love and kindness can prevail. It reinforced my belief that every animal deserved a chance at a better life, and it inspired me to continue my work in rescuing and rehabilitating animals in need. As I embarked on my next rescue mission, I carried their memory with me, knowing that each life I touched, I had the power to bring about a world filled with compassion, understanding, and love.